Good morning, good morning. All right, it's Monday morning. Let's see, what's the weather like today? 58 degrees. 58 degrees. Let's dismiss this message. 6:06 a.m. I got a couple of hours before work. Looks like it's going to be sunny day, but cool. Sunny but cool. Still pretty good for today. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Actually, what is this? 4%. 4% rain. 4% is nothing. So far, pretty good today. It's going to be a nice day. Night today, high in the 80. Throughout the week is pretty much the same, except getting cooler and cooler. Alright, let's get back to our agenda. Let me show you what I'm going to do here. Actually, let me, that's okay, I just gonna type it here. Let me show you. I've got Katia here, right here. Katia, 3 days ago, is wanting to know if we can pass the parameters to store procedure. This video that she's watching, how to execute store procedure. Oh, it's been a year, so we are going to open that video up, or program that I did about a year ago, and I am going to show you and her and Katia how to plug in the parameters for the store procedure. All right, so let's do that. I'm gonna close this out. You know what? Let's go find the store procedure that we did right here. This is the same. Oh good, it's got a SQL connection as well. This one right here, what we did, that's the procedure. All right, so if you want to know how I did that, it's not a big deal. It's real nice, you know. 2 functions. One is getting a connection string, and one is just executing the store procedure. So, but if you're interested, just go to my channel and look for it. All right. Well, let's see. I think this one should pass. There you go. That one should pass. Did it? Yep. We are going to come in here and add the function. All right, but before we do that, we gotta have store procedure to work with. All right, so let's go to Management Studio. All right, get rid of that thing. What we want here is to let's see, we're gonna work with this adventure. Works 2017. Oh, it's been a while since we last did anything with that guy. So but yeah, let's do that. Let's see. Ooh, lots of tables. You know what? I'm interested in sales here. How about sales order? Yeah, let's try that. Let's see if we get anything from there. Let's see. let's find out what's going on here. Sales order. Oops. There you go. We're not interested in the details. We just the header. All right. Let's query that. Ooh, wow, that's a lot of them. 31,445 rows records. We're gonna grab a couple of these guys right here, just for use as example. I know that this is the sales order ID here. All right, this should be unique. If you notice, this is 59, 60, 61. That's a unique ID. If you look over here, there is a order number here. This also should be unique. You notice that? 59, so on and so forth. Basically, the ID, if you've been following my code, I use ID with the grid and order number or customer number or whatever in my video tutorial. I also use this, all right, similar fashion. So this is readable, and this should not be readable. All right, so yeah, let's do that. Let's grab this guy. Let's grab sales order number. We're gonna get order date. How about that? This is the order date right here and a ship date. Let's do that. Ship. Yeah, we're just gonna grab a couple of them. So we got order date, ship date. How about customer number? Here's the same thing. You see here? That's the ID and that's the number. So they're separate. All right, they're not the same, but they are unique. They should be unique. All right, so we're gonna get account number, and then what else can we grab in here? Ship method. Oh, we got totals. Okay, we got totals. Total due. There you go. That's total due. We're interested in there. So if you add these three columns together, that's what you should get. Total due. So let's grab that, and that's it. We don't need a lot. Total due. All right, that's good. Let's execute it. That's what we need. All right. You know, something to test with. You don't need a whole shebang. So, but that's what we're gonna get. All right. Let's see, what else can we do here? Yeah, let's do this. Let's come back here. We are going to create a new table, and we are going to grab these information right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns. Order number, date, ship date, customer. Okay, all right, so let's do that. This is going to be order number, and this is the inbox chart. Order date, time, ship date, time. Now this guy is going to be mandatory. The ship date may or may not be shipped out, so we're going to leave that allow no value there. So let's go to the next one. And what's next one? Account number and total due. Account number. Now account number also in bar chart. Total due. This should be a decimal. All right, so but we're gonna tag 2 digits in here. right? Let's see what we got. Oh, that's 4 digits. 4 digits. So we'll grab 4 digits. All right. We'll grab 4 digits. So that will be 4. 18 by 4. All right. And let's make this guy a primary key. All right. Save that. How about order? How about sales order? Sales order. And then I'm going to put underscore temp because it's basically going to serve as a temporary table. All right. So I'm going to close that out. The next thing that we need to do to test this out is to I'm going to tap here. We're going to create procedure. Create procedure. Get sales order. All right, and we're gonna pass in the parameter here. This is going to be from date to date, and then we're gonna say as, and then we're gonna begin function end. What we need in this one is what we want is to insert into sales order temp. We also want to delete this guy first. All right, and we got to add the parameter that we are passing in, where order date between from and to. I think that looks good right there. All right, we're gonna create this procedure right here. All right. What we need is to execute this guy. We'll go ahead and compile this guy, execute, and that should good, very good. We got it. Now what we want is to find out what's the let's test this out. We gotta test this out. We want to make sure that this guy works right. Let's retrieve the latest. Let's retrieve the latest sales order header. How about max order date? This is the latest order date. June 30th. June 30th. Now we can query that. So we're gonna do execute. Get sales order. We're gonna pass in the date. How about in January 24? I mean not 24, 14 to June 30th, 2014. All right. Let's validate and make sure that we don't have anything in that folder. Go ahead and make sure these guys don't have anything in there. All right, sales temp, nothing in there. All right, let's execute this. $11,761. All right, let's take a look. Good. That's January 1st all the way to June 30th. All right, let's narrow this down. Let's go to the end of January. How about that? Good. So you notice this guy means it deletes it. All right, that's that guy right there. And then it inserted. That's that guy right there. So it removed the previous records and it inserted new records right here. All right, so let's take a look. And it should go from January 1st, which is this date, all the way to the end of January. Let's take a look. There you go, the end of January. Good. I mean, that's good. All right. The next thing that we need to do is to we are going to validate to make sure that this guy right here, this connection string here, is correct. We want to make sure that it points to the database here, which is AdventureWorks 2017 with this server name and SQL Express instance. So let's take a look. Right click on there. I'm gonna view it with Notepad++. Server, that looks good, and that is an instance, and that is the database. Perfect. Looks good. All right. Looks good. All right. All right. Let's go into our table here. The next thing that we need is to get the temp table in here so we can view. This stuff, the data. All right. So we're gonna go find that file that we just looked at. It's in here. Right here. Yeah, right there. And right there. That's the one that we just created. Alright, take a look. We should have the same records. There you go. Same records that we just ran. All the way down to 20 there. 2141. Same as, oops, wrong one. Same as this guy right here on the right hand side. You see it, 2141 rows. All right, good. All right, so if I click on this, we're gonna execute that line only. We should have nothing here. We should also have nothing in here as well. Perfect. Nice. All right, let's go to touch screen. It's getting pretty easy here. It's just implementing this into there. So I'm just gonna put this guy there. Put that guy there. I'm gonna give this label a from. Matter of fact, put a colon there. And then I'm gonna highlight both of these guys. I'm gonna say full color here. Text 1. How about this guy? Give it a txt from date, like so. And I'm gonna copy that. Copy paste. We gotta have to date. You know what? Oops. Let's move this guy to the left a little bit here. Yeah, this doesn't have to be pretty. Let's change this. You know what? Let's click on that label. Let's move this guy to the right aligned. There. Alright, let's change this guy to, alright, and this guy to txt to date. And then let's see, we gotta modify this guy as well. Change that to cmd. How about get sale? Get orders rather. That's good enough. All right. I'm gonna copy that. Go to code behind. We're gonna change this guy to there. And oh, this is where we need to make more modification. So let's get back in this store procedure here. We are going to implement something similar to this. All right, so I'm gonna copy that guy. Copy. I'm gonna paste it right above it. Add the name to with params. There you go. All right. And then before I move on, I want to let's compile. Oh, hold on. Gonna change that name now, otherwise we'll get a barking. Alright, so now we can compile that. Good, no barking. Alright, now we can add parameters. D from date as date. D to date as date. Now to add parameters, it's not that big a deal. You do this, you get params, you get items, and then the first item is the from from date. There you go. Params, items. Not hard at all. To date. Nice and simple. That's it. That's it. That's not a whole lot. Now let's get back to our form here. Double click that. Now we can change this guy now. See that with param. Now this is the procedure name, so I'm gonna go to the SQL. Just gonna double click on that, copy that. Not there. Let's get back to code behind right there. Now the next param is me text from date, me text to date. That's it. Basically it. One thing that you need to do, you should always validate your validate your dates or your entries. Otherwise you're gonna have issues. You gotta make sure that you get stuff right. All right, so we're gonna validate that. If not, it's null. That means we want the from date to be something, and not is null. The to date to be something. Then do this. There. If now I'm just gonna push this guy Bubba in there. Add text here. How about sales order? About orders. Oops. Gotta be a little fancy. Retrieved. Success. Fully. Like so. And then we're gonna put in information there. We're gonna put the header at records retrieved. There you go. Records retrieved. Oops. That looks good. Alright. Moment of truth. Alright, let's close that. Let's see if we get any barking. We don't have anything in here for now. Alright, we're gonna enter same sample date range, otherwise we cannot validate. We gotta make sure that we validate one by one. Oops. Alright, let's do it. Oh, that went without a glitch. Look at that. The question is, do we get anything here? Yes, we do. Good. How about the end of the record? Look at that, January 31st. Oh, let's do some more testing. We're gonna go to 29th of February, and then we're gonna start from there. Good. That's pretty quick. That's fast. All right. We got February 1st. All right. Let's see the last one. Look at that. Nice. that's basically how you do it, Mr. Katia. Yeah, that's pretty quick. That took what, 20 minutes? Maybe 30. Yeah, something like that. It's a lot of typing, have to go back and forth. Now, if I wasn't talking, you see, if I wasn't talking, it would be a little quicker than this. All right, but if you want to know how I create this original store procedure here, you can go to my channel. All right, I'm gonna show you where it is. Should have kept that thing open. Let's go to the channel. Go to Google, and then all you have to do is just type in right here, stored procedure. That's all. Hit enter, and that's the one where Katia was looking at. All right, and it's been a year. All right, so watch that video, and then you can implement the parameters with this function, with this video. All right, there you have it, nice and easy. Let's try one more time. We're gonna get how about March. Let's go to March 30th. That's pretty quick. That's fast. And this is a link right here. Look at that, March 1st. Let's see the end. March 30th. Nice. Basically, that's how you do it. All right. That's all I need to show you and Katia. Happy programming, people. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.